Upgrade your slat wall in minutes with our black metal shelf, designed specifically for WoodyWalls Slat Wall Panels. It's a clean, modern way to add storage and display space, perfect for decor, small essentials, or product showcases. What's included in the box? One black metal shelf, black screws plus gold screws. Choose the look you prefer. Metal brackets, metal key for locking the brackets in place. Shelf sizes available. Decide where you want the shelf and mark the placement lightly, optional. Slide the metal bracket between the slats into the felt backing area at the position you marked. Insert the metal key into the bracket and turn clockwise until the bracket feels tight and secure. Hold the shelf in place and quickly check that it's straight and level. Place the shelf onto the brackets and use the included screws to secure it. Choose black screws for a seamless look or gold screws for a premium accent detail. Enjoy your new shelf, a simple upgrade that adds function, style, and a perfect match to your WoodyWalls Slat Wall Panels.